What's up? Back again, another video, a little bit unconventional. I'm not inside my room. Okay, so basically today we're gonna do a Portra 400 review test, blah blah blah. Also right here, Rollieflex 3.5B if I'm not mistaken. It's a TLR camera, right? Boom, you see it. Yeah, this is hella backlit too. It's not nice. Right, long story short, I've never done a review on this channel or given my opinion on Portra 400. Go figure, right? Had 23, 24 videos up, but here I am. I'm gonna do it on a camera I've only used one time. I've never developed any rolls. Shout out Joel, admin and creator of Film Photographers on Facebook. I'm gonna plug that down in the description, as well as insert a little screenshot, whatever. Yeah. Okay, let's get at it. So I think this is a 6x6 because I already shot a roll of 400H, and I only got 12 shots out of it, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully these don't turn out like shit. I don't have a light meter, and this camera's from like the 50s or 60s, so I'm gonna just let you know right now they might turn out like crap. For those of you who see me on YouTube and stalk my page and, you know, hate on my photography in secret, I hope this is some fuel for you. Not really, but I want to say it was right here. Yeah. Fuck it. See, I might have fucked up already. Alrighty. So I don't know if yeah, basically again 1950s camera. These things are really obsolete. It's interesting, right? Because the mirror on the inside is like super flipped. I don't know if you can see that, but everything is mirrored. So what shows up on the left will show up on the right through the viewfinder. This lens right here, you see through. This lens actually captures it. This is your shutter wheel and this is your aperture wheel. Max aperture on this is 3.5 all the way to, I believe, 22. Yup. And then you have a max aperture of 250th, 250th, 1/250 of a second. You know the wise, right? But there's a bulb mode, so there's that. It's got this weird cover like feature thing for the shutter button, and then there's feet on the bottom. I don't know how many people are going to be interested in a TLR because it's like film's kind of like a young person thing now. And like you gotta be super hipster and like really into old shit if you're like shooting one of these shits. But anyway, I'm gonna get to shooting. I'll show you in a second. Okay, go ahead and like sit down for me. The reason I'm using Portra 400, again, one for the video, and two, the skin tones and whatnot. I already shot a roll of Fuji on here, and I know how that's going to turn out, I guess. But I want to see what that's like on a 6x6, again, 12 shots. I hope these come out nice, man. I'm not even gonna lie, like I'm hella tight. Let me get you over here. Oh, let's turn over. Get on the other side. You good?
Wait. Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this camera's pretty fun to use. open it up all the way to see what type of bokeh I get, I guess. Make sure she's in focus. You want to plug your YouTube real fast so it's not mad weird?
Who?
You.
Ooh.
Who else got a YouTube?
Subscribe to my channel, Lolly Isabel. Y'all probably don't know how to spell my name, so it's Xitlalli, and then Isabel.
Oh, my back hurts. Right, no way. Oh my god.
What happened?
So I just found out, right? Like this little doohickey. I was like, what is this for, you know? Oops. Is this supposed to come up like that? I don't think it's supposed to come up like that, but like if you look through it and you flip it upside down, it's like you can look through it like it's an eyepiece.
Like it's a what?
Eyepiece. Like a OVF? Optical viewfinder. You're still upside down. No matter how I turn it, you're upside down. That sucks.
Oh wait, is that what you meant by mirrored? They're all upside down right now?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second. They're not upside down, they're like... It's like opposite, like... If I'm like this and you're on the left, you're on the right. You'll see. Give me a second. Let me take this picture. Yo, if this picture come out raw, I'm hella nice.
Hold on. Bro! Did you take a picture?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, these are probably gonna be blurry. Should have came out in the sun. Oh well.
That was so fast.
Shit happens. All right, sit in the little cross section. This is the last shot. All right. Boom. Boom. And it's stuck. Nice. There we go. Shit. Where's part of it? Okay, I'm probably not even gonna like come back at it or add anything extra. If I will, I'll cut this out. But yeah, follow me on Instagram right here at Michael OMO. Follow Salali at Instagram. I think it's just Salali.
XX, I. Double X.
Yo, I'm gonna put up a screenshot. They'll see it. You know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. I'm out.